to get real. It's about to get real. It's about
Ready for the next one?
पूरी स्टेडियम वाली फीलिंग दिला रहे हो आप लोग.
You ready?
And it was very lovely experience. We learned a lot about finance, about sales, and about so many things.
This is it now, can't quit now. Feel the
My
pressure.
experience of coming here was amazing. Meeting with all of these interesting and new people, networking with them and connecting with them, and growing my business along with them. It has been a great experience.
Made of. Center stage of a new week.
These are the boys who are going to change your life and influence you in the right way.
Two, we can say we made it. There's nothing that
It's a great networking event for especially who is into digital marketing, any kind of business owner. Do not think even a second time. Just come in, take this chance. It's amazing. The speakers are amazing. The event is amazing. Just come in if you get a chance next time.
real. Watch. It's about to get real. You know the deal. It's about to get real.
ये पता चला power of networking.
Mistakes, no off days. You cooked if you caught in a blaze. You either eating or you get ate. It's all part of the game we play. When I stand up, never jammed up. Can't go under, do you overstand us? Don't take it for granted. It's bigger than life on this planet. Enough said, cause I know the ledge and I'm pushing it right to the edge. Only break bread with my real heads for the blood and the tears we shed.
I would like to come again if they plan such event in the next
Either you all the way in, where you at, or you all in the way. It's about to get real.
Never seen this in our industry. ऐसा माहौल, ऐसा stage. That's all.
It's about to get real. You know the deal. It's about to get real.